What's up guys, welcome back. Sasuke Chidori. Haven't drawn Sasuke in ages. Great character. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast. He's one closed eye, one open eye. This is a fan art, definitely. I don't think it's official. But it's good anyway. Whoever drew it, hats off. So we'll go open eye. So we'll go diagonal first. That way. And then it sort of goes flat across the top. So we'll go like across here. You can thicken it up a little bit. You'll make it a bit heavier, but it's normally spiky on the ends. You know, there's normally little sort of sharp lines at the ends. And then we'll go down this way. And then we go across. Big Sharingan red eye in here. Pupil in the middle. Pupils are normally small with the Sharingan because you got to fit the dots around. We have one there, one here. And we can see a little bit of one up here. There's three of them, and then they normally have a little spike coming off. And then like a circle that kind of joins them together. It's kind of a broken line as well. Just coming around there. So top eyelid line, so it kind of goes underneath, say, his eyebrow. So if we did his eyebrow first, we'll go, he's frowning sort of heavily. And then his eyelid line, just there. Across like so. And then maybe like the start of his nose sort of there. It's a different style sort of nose that they draw. We've got some wrinkles on it. And we got some like, his eye is like bleeding, sort of like lots of sort of hatching lines around the eye as well. So his other eye is closed. So we'll just go just about here. The distance between the two eyes is about an eye as well, just if you're wondering. Between these 2 points, it's about the width of his eye. And then we'll go closed sort of eyelash line. Like that. And then some hatching underneath. Some more eyelid lines, so you can see this one underneath the eyebrow because his eye is closed. And then the eyebrow. That way. And then all we have for his nose is just like nostrils. And then his mouth, serious Sasuke downturned mouth. And then a bottom lip. And his chin, square chin. So we get his jaw, up the side of the face. He's kind of in 3/4 pose a little bit, so we get the jaw here, like this sort of sharp angled jawline. but on this side it's kind of like his cheek, so it sort of dips in first there, and then it's different to this side. It kind of curves gradually up. Kind of makes it look like, you know, his face is slightly turned away from us. So then it's done in red color, but he has blood coming out of his eye, but I'll draw it in just with my black pen, just so you know sort of where it is. I'll just do it in lightly. You could just do this with red, of course. You don't have to draw it in with a pen, unless you want to kind of do it like a manga or something. So his hair is kind of being pushed up by the Chidori sort of energy, right? But we still have a fringe, so go down here. It starts to go out further. So it's not just hanging down like it normally does, you know, down here, because the Chidori is like blasting it up, sort of. We can just see his ear in here. Okay, so this like spikes up, comes around, and then it's kind of flat on this side, but there's a long one here. And then this one just goes flat straight up, right? So like that. And then they all go back around to here, so. Right, and we'll dirty up his, texture up his face a bit more, just make it look like he's been in a fight. Okay, so neck, going this way, front of his neck here, and then it'll sort of go just like a neckline that way. And then neck on there, and then his jacket just goes this way, and his hand is just coming across his chest in here, but we can see his collarbone and another collarbone there. So I'll finish the collar and the shoulders, and then we'll do the hand, and we'll fill in any of the gaps. So say this big collar of his just comes down that way, and then there's an inside line. And then his shoulder goes this way. We get sort of fold lines just here. So then this hand, so he's just doing like this, sort of like a goblet type thing. Of course, you could finish the jacket if you didn't want to do, if you wanted to just keep it as a portrait, you could literally bring his jacket line just down there. And you're maybe a chest line and you're done. But if you wanted to add the hand with the Chidori, we will do that now. So starting sort of here, this is like his wrist, and then it comes out to a thumb. Go up this way. And your thumb, bit of a thumbnail, joins your index finger. Now they're all shorter because they're like curled in towards him, you know what I mean? So they look sort of like not sort of long fingers. This one curled in that way. And then this one was there. I think it's like his wrist is kind of like cut off there a bit, and then his pinky. Like that. So then we just like add kind of chakra around the hand. So it's just this spiky kind of random sort of shape. Just going around the hand, basically. And we just add some more scratches to his clothing, just to kind of make it more consistent with how he's been beat up on his face as well. And there's actually a bit of hair in there that I missed. And one more here. Sasuke, Uchiha Sasuke Chidori. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.